Okay, so when you get the solar panel, you will need to lay it flat on a surface, on a clean surface, and you will get it the accessory pack in something that looks like this, and you will get an extra bolt, washer, and a nut, but them are for if you lose them. So you will need a 3/4 wrench, a 9/16, and 7/16. Okay, so first what you do, take this, put it here. You line this hole up with that hole right there on the solar panel. And then there, you set it there. And then you will need to put one of these in here with a washer, like that. And you take a nut and put it under here on there. And then you do the same with the other side. Put it here, line it up. And then, so I will put a bolt and washer. Put that there. And then you'll put a nut under there. And then, so you'll take this, bring this way. Bring this right here. Put that in this hole. And this will this will come like that in the package. Put that on there. Tighten that there. And then you'll be able to lift that up when you have it all secured. From there, you will take these, take this off, pop this cap off, like that. And push that through. And then you can lift this up just like this, put it through, and then secure your nut on there. And then, from there, just secure the rest of it and you should be good.